Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove the front shock absorber and replace it on Opel Corsa C. So the shock absorber is held by two bolts. We need to remove the nut for the twist rod, and then there is a cable and a hose that we need to remove. First we start by removing the nut for the twist rod. Next we remove the two bolts that hold the shock absorber on the bottom. Next we go on top of the car to remove the nut that holds the shock absorber on top. I've put a jack underneath the whole wheel hub assembly to hold it in place while I remove the shock absorber. I'm removing the last bolt that holds the shock absorber on the bottom, and then I can take out the shock. And that's the shock absorber out. Now we can change whatever needs to be changed on it and put it back again on the car. Thank you for watching.